Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your Class 9 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our Chapter 6 Constructions. Last session this is. Exercise 6.2, last two constructions we are going to do. In this session. Let's start your fourth problem. Construct a triangle XYZ in which angle Y is equal to 30 degree and angle Z equal to 90 degree. And xy plus yz plus zx is equal to 11 centimeters. In before problems, we know of the base length and one angle we have constructed, and with that we are going to frame the triangle. Now, we don't know any side, but sum of all the three sides of a triangle given. At that time, how to construct? Let's see the rough figure. So, at that time, I don't know any base length. What the length given there, sum of all three sides length I am going to draw. That is 11 centimeters. What is this? 11 centimeters. Let's mark AB, not XYZ. Don't use letter XY. They asked us to draw triangle XYZ. Don't take any letter of that triangle. Let us take any other letter. AB we take. From A as a center. What angle we need to construct? Is it 30? No, half of 30 you try to construct. If you want, you can go through the example problem before this exercise you have. Just go through that. This is not your point Y. It's not your angle Y. So, instead of 30, I try to construct here 15. How to construct 15? 60 degree arc. So look here, arc 60, then again from here to here 30 degree angle, and again with that ray again middle angle 15 degree you try to construct. I'm not drawing all at a time. You may be confused. 15 degree I have done here. Then B as a center. Their angle Z is 90. We are going to create half of it. Half of 90 will be 45. From here you need angle, children. So from B as a center, mark like this 60, 60, then again 90. Then center you are going to get, this is 45 degree. 50 degree, 45 degree, one angle you make. Then both the rays try to extend and they are going to intersect at a point. Mark this point as X. Why? Y and Z will be having an angle. Now, with these two sides, do the perpendicular bisector. Do the perpendicular bisector. What happens? Now, look here carefully. Try to join this. Here, look carefully, perpendicular. This is Z angle and this is Y angle. This is 30 and this is 90. Therefore, the required triangle is XYZ is the required triangle. Okay, so once again understand the concept carefully. First, sum of all side length what you have 11 centimeters. Draw a line segment. So again I am doing a rough figure only. Try to understand carefully. Draw a line segment 11 centimeters. Other than XYZ, mark other letters AB. With A as a center, 30 degree angle. 30 degree angle. Angle Y is 30. But you create half of 30, it is 15 degree angle you need to create here. 15 degree angle means more than half. Convenient radius, draw an arc. 60. And again from here to here, more than half. And this angle, what you get? What you get this one? This is 30. But I don't want 30. So again what I do? From here where it touches, again do the angular bisector. This angle so formed is 15 degree angle. Here I have showed you only one ray, but actually you need to do two rays. First thing what I have tried to show here, 15 degree angle, 45 degree angle make here, children. Try to meet the two rays where it intersect, mark it X. Then these two lines do the perpendicular bisector. Where they intersect, join, you are going to get X, Y, Z. But actually how you are going to get? This is the way you get. First do 60, then 30, then 15 degree angle. Now from B, 90 degree, then 45 degree you need to do. Then again convenient radius, draw an arc, 60, 120, and now intersect 90 you are going to get. After getting 90, 45 degree. From this as the center and from this as the center, you are going to get a ray that intersects, and this is 45 degree. Then the intersecting point, mark it as X. Now AX and BX, do the perpendicular bisectors. Do the perpendicular bisectors and then join to meet a point here. This will be Y. And now here, same manner, try to join the bisectors. And if you see, this will be perpendicular and this will be 30 degree. Therefore, X, Y, Z is the required triangle. I hope 2 times I have showed you rough figures. Now see the steps, then do the original construction. Draw a line segment AB equal to 11 centimeters. At point A, using ruler and compass, draw an angle 15 degree. We have written 15 itself, but in question 30 there. Half of it we have done. 15 degree, and at point B, draw an angle ABX is equal to 45 degree. Draw the perpendicular bisector MN of AX and the bisector ST of BX. Draw the perpendicular bisector ST of BX which intersects AB at Z. Join X to Y and join X to Z. Therefore, triangle XYZ is a required triangle. Let's see now original construction. Okay, let's start our original construction. Before starting this, we are going to write given data. What is given here? Given solution. First write this, children, then you go with that steps. Given in triangle XYZ, angle Y is equal to 30 degree, angle Z is equal to 90 degree, XY plus YZ plus ZX is equal to 11 centimeters. This is the given data. Then draw the rough figure, then do the original construction and construction steps. Let me take a ruler here and draw 11 centimeters and mark the point A, and this is B. Length 11 centimeters. Now create the angles. With A as center, how much angle you need to frame here? 15 degree, and B as center 45 degree. I need 15 means first 60 I want. With a convenient radius from A, draw an arc, and from here the same radius, cut the arc. How much this angle it will be? 60. I don't want 60 line, so let me go with again 30 angle from this as a center and this as a center. Now what the angle so formed is 30 degree. Children, do you need 30 degree angle? No, I don't want 30. I need 15 degree angle. So again, where it meets here, right? So more than half above one arc from here. More than half, draw the arc from this as the center, cut the arc. Now take a ruler and try to join this. And now this angle so formed is 15 degree angle. Now from B, how much angle you need to draw? 90 given Z. So I need to draw 45 degree. 45 means first we need to do 90 degree angle only. Look here carefully. So with the convenient radius, always our angle we have done from that side now, but here base is this side. So from here, draw an arc with a convenient radius. Then now 60, then here 120. Then again two arcs where it touches, it will be 90 degree. Take scale and then do 90 degree. Okay. Do you need 90? No. 45, no. So from here, more than half, draw above one arc. And here, cut the arc. Yes, you got an intersecting point. Try to join B. See here, this angle so formed is 45 degree. See the rays, 15 degree angle and 45 degree angle where they are meeting. That point, mark it as X. Mark that point as X. Take AX and BX. Draw perpendicular bisectors for AX and BX. Let's start with AX. How to draw bisector? More than half. Above one arc and below one arc. Now from X as a center, same measurement, don't disturb the radius. Okay. Now join the two intersecting arcs. We are going to get a bisector. Bisector MN. Where it touches this point, mark it as Y. Let's draw the bisector for BX. So see here, more than half. With X as a center, draw an arc above of BX and below of BX. And with B as a center, cut the arc. So, little again I do here. Okay. Observe carefully. These two are the intersecting points. Try to join. You are going to get the bisector. Yes. And mark this bisector as ST. Taking AX, we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, MN, and taking BX, we have drawn a perpendicular bisector, ST. So where these touching the line AB, mark this point as Y and mark this point as Z. Now try to join. When you try to join, see here, this is perpendicular. Perpendicular and join XY. So formed angle, this angle will be 30 degree and this angle will be 90 degree. Therefore, the required triangle is XYZ. That's all. That is our construction. It is very easy when we understand steps. Most of the children will do a mistake. What is that mistake? Given 30 degrees, no? Most of the children will do mistake by taking as given angle as it is. Don't try to do that. Just do half of it and then construct the angle. 30 given, 15 here, 90 degree given, 45 degree. Then do the perpendicular bisectors. Bisectors where it touches the base, join. You are going to get a triangle. Once again, let's check this problem here. How we have done all the sum of all three sides given, that is 11 centimeters. Now if you want, you can measure all the three sides. That side length if you measure, it will be 11 centimeters. After construction, you check yourself. Let's see the last problem. Fifth problem. Construct a triangle whose base is 12 centimeters and sum of its hypotenuse and other side is 18 centimeter. Try to understand here some word you need to identify. What is that word? Hypotenuse. Where you can listen this word hypotenuse? In a right angled triangle. Okay, I think this is a right angled triangle. Let's do a rough figure. Base 12 centimeters. Right angle triangle means any one end point you try to create 90 degree. So let me take this point as A, B and 90 degrees angle. Now, sum of its hypotenuse means this side plus this side will be how much? 18 centimeters. Do you remember in this exercise we have seen first problem. If sum given, have to do. Angle base given, sum given means have to do first base, then angle, then take a measure of the sum. How much? 18 centimeters. Cut the arc. Try to join. Mark it as a D, not a C. Mark it as a D. Draw the perpendicular bisector of BD. Let's do the perpendicular bisector here. So you are going to get a bisector. It touches a point here. Then mark this point as C. Therefore, ABC is a required triangle. Let us repeat once again. First do the base 12 centimeters. We have seen hypotenuse means it is a right angle triangle. One angle will be 90 degree. So create an angle 90 degree and sum of other two sides including hypotenuse and one side is 18 centimeters. With A as a center, where you have taken angle, that angle only you need to take. That point only you need to take. From there 18 degrees, cut the arc, join BD. Now BD, do the perpendicular bisector where the bisector touches AD ray. Where it touches, then mark that point as C and join BC. ABC is a required triangle. Now let's see the steps. Draw a line segment AB is equal to 12 centimeters. At point A, using ruler and compass, draw an angle BAX. Angle BAX is equal to 90 degree. Taking A as center and 18 centimeter as radius, draw an arc which intersects AX at D. Join BD. Draw perpendicular bisector MN of BD which intersects AD at C. Join BC. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. That's all. Construction steps, no need of by hearting. How we are doing the construction as it is, you can write steps. Let's start our original construction. Before we start, we need to write the given data. Solution. Given. What is given here? A base. Given base of a triangle. If I take AB is equal to 12 centimeters and sum of other sides AC plus BC, hypotenuse plus other side is equal to 18 centimeter. This much given and one angle 90 degrees we need to know. Let me take a ruler and how many centimeters? 12 centimeters. Yes, this is 12 centimeters. Mark a point A and B. The distance is 12 centimeters. Length of the line segment is 12 centimeters. With any one end point as a center, construct 90 degrees. With a convenient radius, draw an arc. And now 60, 120. Now 60 and 120, half is 90. Take a ruler and try to draw perpendicular. It is 90 degree. And I need to extend this. Why? 18 centimeters I need to cut the arc. So, where is 18? So, 18 centimeters. I have drawn a ray AX. 18 centimeters. Look here, I have taken a compass. 18 centimeters with A as a center. 18 centimeters. Cut the arc. How much is this measurement? 18 centimeters. Cut the arc. Next, mark this point as D and join BD. Join BD. Join BD. Next step. What is your first step? We have done 12 centimeters base. Then 90 degree angle. Then next 18 centimeters. I have taken 18 centimeters measure and I have cut the arc. Okay. Now join BD. Now more than half with B and D. More than half from D. What I do? Draw an arc that side and this side. And with B as a center, cut the arcs. With B as a center, cut the arc. Now try to join these two. Try to join these two. The perpendicular bisector where it touches the ray AX, we are going to mark a point, and that point, mark it C. Take a ruler and join BC. This is your required triangle. Join BC. Now ABC is a required triangle for our construction. Let's go through once again. What did we do? Given base 12 centimeters, draw AB 12 centimeters. With A as a center, do perpendicular means 90 degree with a convenient radius from A as center 60, 120 and center it will be 90. So draw a line, extend the line. Sum of hypotenuse and one side is 18 centimeters distance. Now if you want to take a scale, you measure BC and AC, sum will be 18 centimeters. Now from A, 18 centimeters, cut the arc. Join BD. Now do the perpendicular bisector on BD. Where the perpendicular bisector touches AX at one point, mark that point as C. And finally, join BC. Therefore, ABC is the required triangle. This is the way we are going to create angles and triangles. Okay, with this, we are going to end our session. Not only our session, our construction chapter is completed. We are going to meet in our next session with another new chapter. Until that, keep on practicing your constructions. Be perfect. Practicing constructions carefully and write your construction steps. Get ready for the next chapter. Keep on watching. Thank you all.